Hey, AT from CNC at Home. You know, in general, I don't like these short videos, but I thought I'd put one out there to remind everybody that if you want some really cool mittens, like these Giver mittens that I have, that we burned the stuff on here. Anyway, there's a discount code. If you use CNC15 at checkout, you'll get 15% off any of your purchases from Giver. I'll put all that information in the description. 15%. And I don't get anything for this, by the way. I love these mittens, and I ask them about a discount for you guys. That's all there is to it. I get nothing if you use it. I get nothing if you don't use it. I just like the mittens. I'm trying to promote them. Anyway, have fun with your CNC at Home project.